Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LiveEnOding. In this episode, I will be sharing with you the creation of this Suzanne teeth. So basically, you can see, okay, it's this is the rough version of gum and teeth. Basically, I created this by accident. So originally, it's not actually a teeth. I was kind of playing around with the idea. So I only have a single teeth here. So if I delete this, so this is how I originally came out with. It's looking like a gum and teeth at the moment, but it's actually it was like that before, kind of like these shapes. So maybe don't worry about cyclic. So let me get rid of a lot of things, get rid of subdivisions, and get rid of randomized. So what is this before all of this, before I bend it even? It's simply a line. Okay, I start with the line. Okay, this should be easy to explain. So it's a normal line, and let me increase the number. So 20 vertices of line, and then I extrude it, but I extrude it using this vector noise. So this is actually an extrude edges. Okay, if I get rid of this random matrices and just use the normal extruding, this is more or less what we get. Actually, let me control click and let's visualize this for a moment. Okay, it's just a line and being extruded. If I extrude this using this noise, we get that shapes. Okay, and then of course I use Solidify, and Solidify create this thickness. And what happened next is I simply extrude it up 3 times using extrude separate faces, and I'm extruding only the top part of the polygon. Alright, so I'm using this masking, and the result is more or less what you see now. There. And I can bake it, and it looks like a gum and teeth, right? Especially if you make the top and the bottom part. But you can see it's kind of like a strange that this actually worked like that, and you have what you get. Suzanne teeth, like this is like a very unusual teeth anyway, but if you want to make a proper one, you can start with this basic idea. With a proper teeth and what do you call it, molar. With a proper teeth, you probably want to separate the gum and the teeth. You don't want to just extrude it, but it's sort of okay for what we are doing here for Suzanne. So without the teeth, it's just like that, but with the teeth, it's much more beautiful. The teeth is very random like this. If you have teeth like this, you can still fix it even you're 30 years old or something. Alright, so that's a quick and basic Suzanne teeth using something that's starting just with a line, and there's this vector noise weirdness that I didn't explain, but it's basically, yeah, it's the same vector noise that I always use, but I'm using multiplier, and also kind of like a scalar to control the noise. Oh yeah, this circle that's actually bending the teeth. This is actually quite interesting if you think about it. This you can bend the teeth whatever you like, and you can actually make full teeth like that, or you can actually make something that's more like square. You can start with any kind of shapes, and you simply bend the edges, and then you solidify, extrude, and then you of course select the top part. Select the top part and create his teeth. You can actually randomize the height of the teeth as well. You can make like a sharp teeth. That could be quite interesting. So because this is all procedural, so you are free to make any kind of changes. So that's a scary Suzanne. Alright, so there you go. That's an easy and quick teeth procedurally created using nodes in Blender, thanks to sverchok add-on. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.